So, namaste. Uh, Today we are at Thank You Universe 18, right? That means the previous all the 17s we are preparing ourselves from 0 to 17. Thank You Universe. I given the tricks, techniques, and easiest way I made you to understand what exactly energy and how your energy, how we can improve our self improvement, how we can upgrade ourselves for the things we want to get it, intention setting, everything, and all the 0 to 17 episodes is everything is interconnected, and these all are the step by step. Leaving one episodes, not practicing, it may happen you are missing the ingredients in between, which may not work out. But when we are looking for the manifestation, when we are looking for the upgrading our lifestyle, our life to the things I want in the life, focused where I want to go, if I'm not happy with this situation where I'm there. In terms of your own vibration, in terms of your health, your wealth, everything is guided properly where you can raise your vibration, and ultimately is when you are raising your vibration, you are upgrading yourself, you are going there, you have started the step. If that is completed, that was the preparation for you to upgrade yourself, self improvement, self affirmations, self conditioning of subconscious mind, and self improvement of your vibrations. Once we know it's a we are energy. Now, once that is completed, if you're done perfectly, now we'll go for 7 days of manifestation. 7 days of manifestation. If you have prepared yourself, these 7 days, one by one, I am going to tell. The day one, is, if you remember, I have told you how to set your intention, right? Day one is need to decide what to manifest. Decide what to manifest. That means you need to know very clearly your confusion. Already I have told you some third year, fourth. When you are confused, the you, the universe is confused. It's like you are going to a hotel ordering, I need samosa. No, 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 I need idli. No, 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 I need dosa. No, 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 I need this. I need that. Then the waiter who is taking your order, he will say, first you decide what you want, then tell me, or please go. Exactly, universe is also like that. You need to decide what exactly you want to manifest. And for deciding what you want to manifest, I have told the intention sheet. You need to go through the intention sheet, how to prepare your intention, what exactly you want. You need to ask a lot of questions, yourself questions, what I want at this stage, what is my requirement, what is truly my requirement. Sometimes when somebody asks me how much money you need, आप दे दीजिए, 5-10 हजार दे दीजिए. So that is not actually the answer. You know that I need 2000 rupees, give me 2000 rupees, right? So you should have that clear idea what you want to manifest. Once you know what you want to manifest, then tomorrow will come, day two. Day two will be visualization. I'm going to say all the 7 days what is the process to manifest. 7 steps, 7 days. the process to manifest. But anything you want to manifest, you need to decide yourself what to manifest, and that will help you. The intention sheet will help you. Thank you.